I'm from Novitat SRL, a company water treatment in Burkina Faso.
Sir.
Yeah, I think it's a level company. I have order some machine and here for retail, and I think it's interesting and can keep going on the projects. Yeah, I found the company on the Citenex when researching for the manufacturer of water treatment machine, and it was a good experience to come here. This is my second time in this company. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. There's nothing I can tell about that. Maybe a kind of support to the customers who are coming from countries they are making the before for a business. Yeah, because not everyone has a bank financing of everything. Yeah, but if you can provide some kind of support the customers to do their business, it is much better and profitable for both companies. Our plans is to provide very good water treatment elements in my countries. It's our main objective in our company. This includes the RO system, for which we have followed the trial and it is interesting. This also includes the post machine that I have just appreciated, and I also discussed about the other partner for the plastic roll, which sponsor was Rivera with the machine. Yeah, because sometimes if you want to sell a post machine to someone, they will require also you to provide them with the plastic rolls and everything that goes around. This is why we are going to have a complete set of water treatment elements. Yeah, for someone living abroad, the most important thing is to have everything all together. Right place. Because it's sometimes very difficult to buy something from this company, other elements from other company. It's not really interesting. Yeah, like here I have outdoor, I have push machine. It's not better. If I can have the plastic all together, it is fine. Understand? I think Darmandana is a very good company. As I said, it's my second time. It means that there is something reliable in this company. And I believe in the future growing business. Je suis ici pour sur la pour l'entreprise Novita Paisalet, une entreprise de traitement d'eau au Burkina Faso. Et je suis là pour suivre les essais de marché. À propos donc de l'entreprise Alangadan, je pense que c'est une très bonne entreprise où tu peux trouver beaucoup de choses à la fois. Et je suis là pour les osmoseurs et également pour les machines ensacheuses et bien évidemment la possibilité d'avoir du plastique qui va avec. Et c'est une bonne chose d'avoir tout choses ensemble. Comme on dit en anglais, all together, all in one. That's it. Rainbow.